Hey y'all, we are back in Charlotte. Today I am shooting digitals with Anaya Lynn. I'm just wearing my Rebosi shoes. Shout out to them for sending me a pair. I'm gonna put them on the screen. And I have my all black fit. As you can see, I don't know if you can see too well, but did a light beat because you're not really supposed to have on a ton of makeup for digitals. I have on a tinted sunscreen, the Rhode Sugar Mint lip mask on, and a little bit of the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Clear. And mascara, of course. And of course, I have some pimples on the day that I need to shoot my digitals. So whatever, I'm just glad to be getting this over with. I feel like since being back in Charlotte, I've kind of been on the move literally since I got here. So trying to adjust to being busier than I was before, because I definitely feel like, hold up, let me turn this other light on. That did nothing, but I definitely feel like it's kind of overwhelming, but I did feel so stagnant in Jacksonville. So I'm happy to be back, and yeah, time to get the ball rolling. I already know what my plan is for this year, so I'm just trying to be as successful as possible. So yes, come with us to take our digitals, and I'll see y'all in a second.
At the studio, they be like this.
Yo,
they nail up against the wall and shit.
Literally insane.
As long as it don't make me ashy.
Right. We made it!
Hey guys, we did make it. It's a bit chilly today, not gonna lie.
I was tight, I'm not gonna lie. I hate being cold.
You should see me this morning when I was in line outside.
I said, a bit chilly.
A bit chilly. I'm fucking dead.
Chili with cheese. But we got our digital spits on. First, we're gonna show Anaya's.
Oh, we're gonna do mine first?
Yeah, let's get into the outfit.
Hey guys, we're gonna do a little fit check before digitals today. This is actually a bodysuit I got from Charlotte Russe back in high school, maybe like 2016? Yeah. This has been a staple for digitals for a couple years now, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it for real. You know what I mean? Yeah. The jeans though, these are from Old Navy. And I really mess with Old Navy jeans. You just gotta make sure to size down, like 2 sizes. Old Navy don't play at all. So make sure you size down. If you think you're a size 2, get a 0. If you think you're a size 6, get a 4. Their jeans are like big. So yeah, I would go try them on in the store instead. Shoes, these are from X Appeal. I don't know, I found these on some little corner store because I broke my other pair when me and Khepera did digitals last. And I never got another pair until like a couple months ago. I passed the store and I was like, hey, I need those. I can't keep doing the open toes, especially when my toes ain't done. But yeah, that's the outfit. Period. Belt is thrifted.
Hey y'all, it's Kev. This is my digitals outfit of the day. I have a black baby tee from H&M. I got it like 3 years ago. Then we have the Yitty, I guess they're like yoga pants. I hope y'all can. I have the Yitty yoga pants. They're like flared at the bottom. And the shoes are Steve Madden. 360. Let's dive into Anaya Lynn's digitals. So she went first and I shot her digitals on her iPhone and she shot mine on my Sony ZV-E10. We got some different angles, all of the required ones at least, which are the 3/4, the full body, the profile, and the headshots. And as you can see, we have 2 different hairstyles because agents like to see your hair slicked back and in your everyday style. We found this nice stairwell that has these plain soft gray walls, which are perfect to add in contrast to digitals so that they can see our skin color, skin texture, and just have overall good lighting so we're not blending with the background. All right, so it's a wrap for the digitals. I'm on my way home now and I am exhausted. Like I mentioned, like in the beginning of the video, I've been ripping and running since I came to Charlotte. Like I know it was one of my goals to be more active and be outside more once I had access to a vehicle. So I'm just trying to keep it intentional, keep striving to like say that I'm trying my best every day, even though I'm exhausted. So with that, I also have to remember I need balance and I need to rest because I just feel like I'm using my body up a lot. So rest is essential, especially to staying sane And I know I work tomorrow, but I've just been doing so much. Like, getting my digitals done was one of the main things I wanted to do when I came down here. My nail in needed some too, so it's like, it's just perfect to have a friend to make stuff with and just get stuff done. It's very motivating because you have somebody that is literally trying to do the same things as you. So with that in mind, I'm so grateful for her. We had a great day. Digitals went great. Like I said, we got a quick vlog video at the end. And I also just think me getting more practice in with taking my videos, remembering to record, keeping angles in mind, and just investing in more equipment to make the process more seamless is like my main goal right now, so I can make sure I'm as prepared as possible. So thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed.